Yo, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be learning about how to install React Rainbow components in a simple React app. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so I've opened up the documentation, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on this tab right here called installation, and it's going to give us a npm package code right here. We're just going to go ahead and copy this. Now I am using npm. If you're using yarn, you can copy this code right here. And I'm going to go into my VS Code, and inside of my terminal, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install my React app. So I'll do npx create-react-app, and I'll just call it React Rainbow Course. Awesome, so now that we have a basic React app made, now what we're going to do is we're going to insert our piece of code to install React Rainbow components into our React app. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start up the app. So I'm going to go ahead and cd into the directory, and I'll do npm start. And in the meantime, while it is starting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the documentation, and I'm going to go into my components folder right here, the component section right here, and I'm just going to search up a button, and we're just going to go ahead and input a simple button. So I'm going to click on the show code right here, and let's copy this 3 lines right here. Going back into my app, I'll go into my app.js file, and let's go ahead and clear out all this junk right here since we don't need any of it. I'll paste it. Let's grab this import, put it at the very top, and I'll just add a simple div tag to close it up. And so going into the app, we see that we have a basic button right here. So now we know that everything is connected. In the next video, we'll be talking more about buttons and how to work with it. And throughout this course, by the end of it, we'll have a pretty good understanding of how to work with this library. So stay tuned.